Hello and welcome to this tutorial, which is going to show you how to log on to Schoology. So in your browser, you're going to type in the Schoology web address, app.schoology.com, and then you're going to press enter. And instead of logging in this first homepage that you see, you're going to click down here at SSO Login. And then you're going to search for the school. We are Rigby Middle. And you're going to search for us, log in. And then right here, the students are going to be asked to input their email address. And so let me show you what that's going to look like. So each student should know their email address. It's going to be their first and last initials, and then their lunch number, and then they have to input at sd251.email. And if your student does not log their login information, have them contact the office, Rigby Middle, and they will be able to tell you their login information. The password always starts with a 251, and then the students will fill in the rest. You press login, and this will bring you into your student's account. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your teachers. Thank you. Bye.